Do you stuck at 0 views, 0 subscribers? Then these 5 settings might be hurting your channel. That does not mean that your content is not good. That does not mean that what you produce is bad. It is because YouTube is secretly not pushing your video due to this fact that you ignore these 5 settings. So if that is what you have been experiencing on your channel, consider watching this video till the end, because it's going to expose the hidden secrets that is affecting your channel from growing. Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. I am Adiola. On this channel guys, we give you tips on how to grow a YouTube channel, how to get views and subscribers organically. All you have to do guys is sit back, watch this video till the end as I guide you through what you need to do right away today so that your channel will keep moving very fast. It is not because your content is bad. No, your content is not that bad. It's not because the visual is bad. No, some channels has a very bad visual, but yet they get some views and subscribers. But because there are some hidden settings that they carried out on their channel, which propel their channel to grow very fast. That is what this video is going to address. We're going to cover 5 settings. The first one is under settings. Go to settings on your channel, click on it, click on channel. Under channel, go and click on advanced. Under advanced, this setting is all about is your content for kids or is it for adults? If your content is for kids or is let your content is for kids, YouTube will not push your video to adults, and this will hinder the growth of your content. It will hinder the growth of your channel. You will not get view, neither subscriber. So it is always encouraging, before you upload any video on your channel, come to this place and select no, this channel has not made for kids, and click on the save button. Do this alone guys, we allow YouTube algorithm to put your video to adults and more audience on this platform, because the more viewers you get, the more subscriber you will get, and the more watch hour you will get. The next thing that is killing your channel, killing your video, is because you do not give what your content is made of. Is your content AI generated content or is a real content? So you have to select one of these options. Altered content is very important on YouTube nowadays, so don't ignore this. If your content is real content, make sure that you select no, because your content is not an AI generated content. But if your content is AI generated content, make sure you select AI generated content. To follow YouTube policy, you are required to tell us if your content is altered or systematic and seem real. This includes realistic sound or visual made with AI or other tools. So you can see that it is clearly mentioned. If your content is AI generated content, make sure that you select AI, and if it is not, make sure you select no. So guys, so far, if you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Tap the notification icon. Don't forget guys, I need your comment in this video. The next thing that I want to talk about is playlist. A lot of YouTubers ignore playlist, and playlist is one of the key reasons you get view on your video. If someone is watching your video and you don't have a playlist, you will not be able to see more of your video from the sidebar of that particular video he or she is watching. So for example, this is my video right away, and if there is no playlist on this channel, you will not be able to see your content here. You can see that this is one of my content. Then if you scroll down again, this is another one of my content. If you scroll down again, there's likely that you see another or some of my content coming up from this side of this channel. That is what the playlist does on your channel. So if you don't have playlist, make sure you go and add more playlist, so that when your viewer is watching your video, they will likely see some of your content display at the side of this place. It's very good guys to turn on playlist on your channel. So if you have not been turning on playlist on your channel guys, go and create playlist and arrange your content on playlist format on your channel, so that YouTube will push your video to more audience. The next point I want to cover is end screen. End screen is one of the best visuals that push more audience to your video, but the way you apply end screen prevent your video to go viral or prevent viewers to access your video. Don't end your video by saying thank you guys, see you soon on another. You must have directed your viewers to watch some of the video you attached to your end screen. For example, guys, before I end this video, take a look at this particular topic on how to get 1,000 subscribers within 5 days. Guys, this video is for you. That is how you should end your video, by pointing or directing your viewers to the end screen. Not only that, you must as well add some playlists to your end screen, because this will also help you to push more of your video to your viewers when they are watching your video on their devices. This is a very good way, guys, to add more views, subscribers on your channel. The last settings is a matter of choice. You have to decide which works for you or not, and it's what is called push to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Guys, if you have some loyal subscribers that have been following you for the couple of times you've started your channel, always enable these settings. Let this setting be enabled so that when you upload a new content, they will be notified and watch your content. But if you are a new on this platform with 0 subscribers, I will encourage you guys, you stop you disable this, because you have 0 subscribers, you have 0 views. So who is YouTube going to notify? Nobody. So allow that to be turned off so that YouTube will push your video. That is why I said it has to do with your own personal research. You have to do your own research to study which one of these settings is really working for you. Guys, I've made a video on that. That video is what you see on the screen. Just watch that video and you will see that it guides you on how to properly manage these settings on your YouTube channel so that you get more view. That's all the thing I want to share, guys, in this video. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please do subscribe. And don't forget that you need to watch this video on how I was able to get 1,000 subscribers within 45 days. See you soon, guys, on my next video.